Next up, we're going to play the song Mulberry Boogie, or as some of you like to call it, Moobly Boobly. And the thing that I'm going to look out for in this is that you're doing nice walking fingers. So remember, when we're doing walking fingers, we need your thumb to be on the top, like an anchor. And then your fingers are going to play nicely over the heart, taking little steps like that. Can you see how my fingers are nice and straight? And I'm also stopping the strings at the end for those shushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shh, shh. And stop like that. Okay, so we've got 4 lines, haven't we, of the E note. Then we do the same thing on the B string. And finish by going back to the E. Let's try that now. I'm going to put the backing track on. Here we go, Mulberry Boogie, I'll count you in. 2, 3, 4. E string. Whole song again. B. And back to the E. Mulberry Boogie. So what I'd like you to do right now is see if you can do that without my help. I'm going to put the backing track on again and see if you can stay in time with it, remembering to stop the strings in those rests. Good luck. Here we go.